What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike, your host of SharePoint in 60 Seconds, the channel where you can find out what you need to know within the first minute or so. And then if you really need the gory details, you can always stick around to the very end. Today, I'm going to show you how to automatically see all of the sites that are connected to your hub in SharePoint Online.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd, I like maple syrup on my pancakes, I don't care what you heard.
Alright, so here we go. Can we get that timer up? I said, hey, can we get the timer up? Alright, there we go. So, real simple. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go edit that page. After you go into edit mode, you're going to find a piece of real estate for your new web part. And then you're going to hit add or hit the plus sign for add new web part. From there, you're going to add the web part called sites. Yeah, plain and simple sites. From there, I do believe the default is going to default to all the hub sites or all the associated sites connected to the hub. If not, you can adjust it. Boom, there you go. You're still here, means you want to see how we're going to do this. Well, here we go. Let's rock and roll. We're going to click on edit. We're going to give it a second to do its thing. We're going to find a little real estate. Boom. We're going to add a web part. I guess you could always type in sites. I never use the search, but okay, there you go. There's the search, sites. Boom. And there you go. These are the two associated sites for this hub. And if we want to change that, we can go in, edit, frequent sites, selected sites, etc., etc. You can do your thing. Hide this web part if there's nothing to show. So if you end up removing all the other associated sites, then it won't show anything. So I hope this has been helpful. If it has been helpful in any way, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, please click subscribe. I usually send out a new video every Tuesday around 2 p.m. So Tuesdays at 2 p.m. you can look for more. So this is Carolina Mike saying thank you so much for your support. Please subscribe. We are on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and your click is helping toward that goal. So thank you in advance. So in the meantime, stay safe, be well. Remember, SharePoint rocks, and so do you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Y'all rock. Thank you.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd, I like maple syrup on my pancakes, I don't care what you heard.